Hey, so you're a freelancer and want a simple, professional website to showcase your work? Card is perfect for that. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Card to create a freelancing website, promote your services, and get clients. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free is good to start, but Pro unlocks custom domains, forms, and extra design features that are great for freelancers. Click New Site on your dashboard. You can select a pre-made template designed for portfolios or start from a blank canvas if you want full control. Add a section to showcase your work. Use images, videos, or screenshots of past projects. Include a short description of each project so visitors know your skills. Create a section detailing your freelance services. List what you offer, pricing if applicable, and benefits for clients. Add a form so potential clients can contact you. Use the form element and connect it to your email. This makes it easy for people to reach out directly. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds to reflect your brand. A clean and professional design helps clients take you seriously. Include buttons to link to your social profiles, LinkedIn, or portfolio platforms. Add a call to action button like Hire Me or Get a Quote to encourage inquiries. Click Preview to check how your freelancing website looks on desktop and mobile. Test links, forms, and responsiveness. When you're happy, click Publish. Free users get a card.co subdomain, while pro users can connect a custom domain to make your site look more professional. Share your website link on LinkedIn, social media, emails, and business cards. Keep your site updated with new projects to attract more clients. So yeah, that's how freelancers can use Card. Build your portfolio, list services, add a contact form, customize your design, and publish. With a few simple steps, you have a professional freelancing website ready to attract clients.